Let's welcome Mark Gleason from Nortridge.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm Mark Gleason, Director of Business Development at Nortridge Software. We are in the loan management software business, and this is an interesting conference for us because what we do is what we think about. People here talk about platforms and they mean Prosper or Lending Club or Derek or something else. We've been around for a very long time in the loan management business, the full life cycle of the loan. And we think in most of our other business lines, platform is what we do. It's the core lending operations. Any type of loan, any type of business process, our strength is flexibility and configurability. For example, any type of interest method, you could see the examples there. That's what differentiates our company is in fact that we are not specialists in any type of lending. We work in all types of lending. We handle the full loan life cycle, so it is origination, servicing, collections, management. We have a rules engine. You can underwrite. You can build underwriting logic. We connect to any external system. You can accept applications. You can get paid. You can collect. You can farm out pieces of the process to external agencies and partners throughout the process. We have an extensive reporting capability to allow you to report on any part of the loan process. It is, as I said, this is what we think about as a loan platform. This is what you need to run a lender. It's the operating system for a lending business. So if you're, I'll show you a list of our customers in just a minute here and you'll get a sense of how they go there. But it is a full end-to-end system. If you're an independent lending business, you can run your business on our platform. The product itself is a classic SQL Server-based product, .NET architecture. We also support Oracle databases. We're officially database agnostic, but we are primarily SQL Server guys, so that's where we make our living. We connect to anything via our API. So we've got a very extensive XML and web service API. We've got several of our customers here who are leveraging that today. We offer the product as both a SaaS model and a licensed model. So you can have it either way. You can be cloud-based. It's the same software either way. So a lot of our customers will start out with the cloud-based solution, get the company going, especially new businesses, and then move over to the kind of classic enterprise software model once the business is up and running. The product itself is, again, it's very secure. All the data is secured. Again, this is a core business operating system for lenders. So it's PCI compliant. It's secure throughout. It does all the loan-related accounting. So that's a pretty unglamorous task, but it's a pretty necessary task to do it right. So getting it all right and being able to interface to any GL system is a really key piece of this part of a lending business process. It sounds pretty simple. Anything on any screen can be restricted, so you can have different roles for different people doing different things throughout the process. And reporting is real time. So in the middle of the day, if you want to see where your delinquencies stand, you can do that anytime you want to. The company, we've been around for a long time. So this is how we got to be as flexible as we are. As we started out as a banking software company in Northern Illinois a long time ago in the 80s. In the 90s, transformed ourselves into a loan management software company. And today we have been around for 30 plus years. We make a nice living. We're owned by the management and staff. So everybody who owns the company they're working on it day to day. And we don't have any debt. As I said, our customers are in every type of lending. You can see the graphic there. We've got about 80 customers in auto finance. We've got many in timeshares. We've got lots of hard money lenders. We're very big in the payday lending business and title loans, distressed debt student loans. You guys can see the circle of life there. These are some of our customers here. So you can see that there's a wide variety of different kinds of companies. There's a couple of interesting ones on there, like the Dallas Cowboys are our customer. The Dallas Cowboys finance personal seat licenses. So Jerry Jones will sell you the option to buy a seat for $25,000, and then you can finance it for 12% interest. So an option to buy a seat for 12% interest. So, and as I said, in our customers, like in the bank business, like UBS and Wells Fargo, what we do for those companies is the tricky stuff. So if all those banks have core banking systems, they can all make a prime auto loan or a prime mortgage or a commercial loan. But if they have multiple stepped interest and tricky collateral, and companies like Rabobank make agricultural loans, there's a lot of really interesting dynamics to when you're lending against a crop and weather is a factor. So those kinds of companies use our software inside the banks to manage the trickiest stuff in their portfolios. We partner with pretty much everybody. Our API allows us to connect to everything, so we partner with origination companies. We partner with a company like Axion, which a lot of people here seem to know, for small business lending and minority-based lending. First Associates, a large servicer, runs their business on our platform, among other platforms. But we plug into everything. We work with everybody, and we are flexible enough to have any piece of data coming in or going out at any part of the business process, from origination through collection, servicing, charge-off, workout, et cetera. And we take a lot of pride in our support. So we are a completely US-based company. We've got a good online community where we get a lot of activity there. We do webinars every Wednesday, and we do a lot of online training as well. So that's my 7 minutes, and I have 40 seconds left. So if anybody has a 30-second question to ask me, I'll be happy to answer it. Otherwise, we have a booth here. Feel free to stop by and talk to us or contact us, and we can do a demo for you anytime you need.